Good morning, everybody. I'd like to walk you through the Gizmo warm-up for the Solar System Explorer, just to make sure you understand some of the basic functionalities of this particular Gizmo. So you can follow with me here. Gizmo warm-up. The Solar System Explorer Gizmo shows a model of the solar system. All of the distances, but not the sizes, of the planets are shown to scale. To begin, turn on Show Orbital Paths. Click to show orbital paths, and then click Play. Question 1. In what direction do planets go around the sun, clockwise or counterclockwise? And as you can clearly see here, the planets are orbiting, they are revolving around the sun in a counterclockwise direction. Question 2. An orbit is a path of a body around another body. What is the shape of the planetary orbits around the sun? So as you can see here, the orbits, the revolutions of the planets around the sun are nearly circular. Question 3. We are told to pause. And so you can see the name of each planet by holding your cursor over the planet. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. Okay, then we're told to click the zoom out button, which we will, but what you're going to need to do, which you're not told in the directions here, is you're going to need to reset. If you do not reset when we zoom out, you will not be able to see all of the outer planets because it depends on where they are in their orbit or their revolution around the sun, if they would or would not show up on this particular screen. Click your zoom out button twice. Okay, so here's what you are looking at. You are looking at clumped in the center here is the sun, Mercury, Earth, and Mars, Venus. And so now what we see on the orbits around the sun and the inner planets are, we have Jupiter, Saturn. Next orbit out, we have Uranus. Next orbit out, we have, where'd Neptune go? Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus. Oh, I didn't click. You needed to click one more time. So Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and here is also the dwarf planet Pluto. So that's just a basic functionality of how that zoom in, zoom out works for this particular gizmo. So you're going to be working through this Word doc, and then when you're finished with the Word doc, you're going to answer the 5 assessment questions launched below the gizmo. And as always, message me if you have any questions. Have a great day.